I can't believe that I have to out a brand in this way. In 15 years of supporting small green beauty businesses, I want to keep things positive, but I don't know what else to do, and I need your help keeping the brand Hairprint accountable for the thousands of dollars they owe me. As a woman LGBTQ-owned small business, I don't have the resources to hire a lawyer and go after them for these funds, which I'm pretty sure they're counting on, because they have been running me in circles for 7 months, asking for more documentation and screenshots. I have politely and patiently emailed their offices, talked with a woman named Lenandria there on the phone several times. It's basically the 2024 version of the checks in the mail. I am tired of the goose chase. Hairprint has made over $100,000 in recorded sales directly from my marketing efforts. If you search the term Hairprint Review, most likely it's my article that's going to come up first. And we have a commissions agreement in place. It started at 15%, and then the more I sold for them, it became 10%, and now it's a 8% of qualified sales. Here's where it gets extra worse. We're using a third-party system called Refersion to track the sales and break down the commissions, but they went into the Refersion software and recorded a manual payment that never showed up in my PayPal account to absolve themselves of the fact that they had not paid commissions on sales from 2023 up until 2024 to me. They said they paid it, but they didn't. Hairprint can go in and unqualify sales, which means they don't have to pay me commissions on money they actually brought into the business through my direct marketing efforts. And based on the numbers that I can see that I've driven, there is a large multi-thousand-dollar difference. But the only funds I'm trying to collect on are the ones that they've qualified and are contractually obligated to pay me. So what I'm asking from you is to hold them accountable. Reach out to Hairprint and let them know how you feel about this situation. And also, I can no longer endorse Hairprint. They have been profiting off of my good name, my credibility and platforms, but how they're treating me is completely unethical. And if they're lying about paying me, then what else are they lying about? It's a good question to ask. There's so many more details to this, as I'm sure you can imagine. I have receipts for all of it. Hairprint just needs to do the right thing. This is not an ethical way to operate in the world, and I'm tired of their excuses. So thank you for helping me. Hopefully justice will be served.